Hello kids, today we are going to do more practice of some word problems which are based on multiplication or division. So read the question. The first question says the product of two numbers is 9612. Again, do not read the whole number, just read it. The product of two numbers is this. If one number is this, find the other number. So recall, what is the meaning of product? When do we get product? When we multiply two numbers, we get the answer as product. So now they are saying the product of two numbers. There are two numbers, first number and second number. I don't know about the numbers till now. So there are two numbers. If we are multiplying both of them, the product is means is equal to. Is means is equal to. The product is 9612. So this is my product, 9612. Now next sentence is, if one number is 54, if I can take it as first number or I can take it as second number, it is up to me. So if one number, they are saying one number is 54. So if one number is equal to 54, the numbers which we are multiplying, the numbers which we multiply are called factors. So we can write it as factor also. So if one factor is 54, the other number will be, we have to find this. So what to do, how to find out. So like earlier I have told you, always do this simple thing, follow this simple technique. Assume these two numbers as smaller ones, and since we know that multiplication is involved, to choose the numbers in which one number is multiple of another number, means एक नंबर दूसरे के टेबल में आए. तो जो छोटा नंबर ले रहे हो, सपोज आई एम टेकिंग 2, सो मुझे नेक्स्ट नंबर ऐसा लेना है जो 2 की टेबल में आए, बिकॉज वी आर ऑलरेडी नोइंग कि वो मल्टीप्लाई करके आ रहा है. 2 की टेबल में जो भी नंबर्स आएंगे मल्टीप्लाई करके, आई हैव टू टेक एनी वन ऑफ देम. सो आई एम टेकिंग सपोज 16. ओके, सो इसकी जगह मैंने ले लिया 16 एंड इसकी जगह मैंने ले लिया 2. अब मैं 2 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करूं? विद विच आई मल्टीप्लाई 2 सो दैट आई गेट 16. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8. एनी अदर वे आउट? सो दैट मीन्स हमें देखना है कि हमें 54 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है. और अगर मुझे 8 निकालना है और आई डोंट नो द टेबल ऑफ 2, 16 है और 2 है, 16 और 2 के बीच में क्या रिलेशनशिप होगा? क्या करूं 16 को 2 के साथ, so that I get 8, because I have to find out 8 here, I have to find here. What can I do? Multiply. 16 multiplied by 2 is 8. No. 16 added to 2 is 8. No. 16 minus 2 is 8. No. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Oh yes, multiplication and division are related operations. So we know that 16 and 2 are related. When we are multiplying 2 with 8, so 16 divided by 2 is 8. Remember? Yes. So that means we have to divide. So other number is 16. This was my 16 here. So 9612 divided by 54. Okay. So let's divide quickly. I am writing here. So let's divide quickly. I'm taking another pen. First I will write here 54 multiplied by 1 is 54. 54 multiplied by 10 is 540. And 54 multiplied by 5, that is half of 540. Half of 500, पहले इसको break कर देते हैं. 500 added to 40. 500 का half कितना हुआ? 250. 40 का half कितना हुआ? 20. So total is 270. I am writing here 270. Now 54. Now 54. Now 54 multiplied by 1 is 54. So it is near to here. We can find out 54 multiplied by 2. Double of 54. 4 plus 4, 8. 5 added to 5 is 10. So it is going more. First I will take 54 zeros are 0. We will get 96. Then 54 ones are 54. 6 minus 4 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now I am bringing down 1. Now my number is 421, which is near to this. So either I can try 54 multiply by 9, or I can try 54 multiply by 8. So I am trying 54 multiply by 8. So either I can multiply like 50 added to 4 multiply by 8. So 50 multiply by 8 is 400, and 4 multiply by 8 is 32. So the product is 432. So my product is 432, which is more than this. I cannot take this. So 54 multiply by 7. Now either I can again multiply or I can subtract 432 में से 54 minus कर सकते हैं. I am doing it here because I don't have space right now. 432 minus 54. So this will become 12. This will become 2. This will become 3. 12 minus 4 is 8. 2 minus 5 is not possible. So 12. This became 12. 12 minus 5 is 7, and this is 3. So my answer is 378. So I am writing here 378 minus this. Now 1 minus 8 is not possible. So we will borrow. This will become 11, and this will become 1. 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. 1 minus 7 not possible. It will borrow. This will become 3. This will become 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now I am bringing down 2. So this is 432. Now 432. Is it coming in the table? Oh yes, it was coming. 54 multiplied by 8 is 432, but I have forgotten here to write 54 multiplied by 7 is 378. I have not written 7 here because when I write 378 I should write 7 here. Now I am writing 432. 54 multiplied by 8 is 432. So now my remainder is 0, no digit to bring down. So what is my answer? 0178. So the other number is 0178 or only 178. So the other number is 178. Easy. Let's move to the next question now. There are 42 drums in a godown. So one drum, 2 drum, 3 drum, 4 drum, so many drums in my godown. So I have how many drums? 42 drums. Okay. Now they are saying, and there is this much liter, do not read the number, this much liters of petrol in those drums. What is written here? In those drums. They are saying कि सब drums के अंदर है. ठीक है. Now if each drum has equal volume of petrol. अब टोटल आपको बता दिया, टोटल इतना है, टोटल है 23,898, जितना भी है हमें नहीं पता चल रहा. ओके, इतना है. सो वी आर टोल्ड कि हर एक में कितना वॉल्यूम है, तो इक्वल वॉल्यूम है. तो हाउ मच पेट्रोल इज इन ईच ड्रम, हमें एक का निकालना. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट अबाउट वन ड्रम. whenever we have to find out about one thing and हमें पता है कि equally distribution हो रहा है, that means we have to divide it. Like take it like 3 drums. There are 3 drums in a go down, and choose any number here which will come in the table of 3, something like that. I am taking suppose 12, and there is 12 liter of petrol. ठीक है. Now each drum has equal petrol. So how much petrol is there? So you guess it right. 4, 4, 4. So 4 added to 4 added to 4. How did you get it? So 12 liter divided by 3 will give you 4. So that means our question is of division. Now let's do the question. First statement is number of, this is drums. So we will write the first statement, number of drums. Only 42 drums, fine. Then there is this much petrol. So liters of petrol. I will not write here number of petrol. The petrol is not given in number. The petrol is given in liters. And whenever it is liters, either you will write quantity of petrol or you can write volume. जब भी liquid की quantity की बात होती है तो we use the word volume. So quantity of petrol in all the drums na, so in 42 drums how much liters. Do not forget to mention here liters. How will I come to know ki is it liters or milliliters or kiloliters? How much petrol is in each drum? So how much means quantity of petrol in each drum. For each drum I can write 1 drum also, and I know I have to divide the quantity. So 23,898 divided by 42. Divided quickly. 42 multiplied by 1 is 42. Then 42 multiplied by 10 is 420. And 42 multiplied by 5 is 210. Half of 420. First we will see one first digit 2. So 42 zeros are 0. This will become 20 and 23. So this is again 23. Now in the table of 42 we have 42 ones are 42. So 42 multiplied by 0 is 0. So again 23 is smaller than 42. So I will take again 42 zeros are 0. So when I subtract I will get 23. Now I am bringing down 8. So my number is 238, which is closer to this. If I take 42 multiply by 6, I can add, because हमें next number निकालना है and इसमें repeatedly add हो रहा है, so I can write here 42, add quickly. I know that it is 252. So what is 42 multiplied by 6? 252. 252. Can I add right here? No, because it is bigger. So I will write this only. 42 multiplied by 5. That is 210. Then it is 8, 2, 28, and this is 0. Now I am bringing down my next digit. That is 9. 289. Again it is closer. So I will write here 42 multiplied by 6 is 252. Now let's subtract. 9 minus 2 is 7, 8 minus 5 is 3, 2 minus 2 is 0. आप हर बारी माइनस करके ये ज़रूर चेक करिए कि जो भी आप माइनस कर रहे हैं, whatever you are getting, is it less than 42 or not? 2 was less than 42, then 23 was less than 42, then 28 is less than 42. Now 37 is also less than 42. अगर वो less than नहीं होगा तो आपको next number से multiply करके देखना होगा, ठीक है? Because that means you are missing a number. So now 337. Now I am bringing down 8. Now my number is 378. So 42 की टेबल में 78 आएगा या नहीं आएगा? How we will come to know? One more trick I am going to tell you. Are they asking you in this question that any petrol will be left? No. The petrol is divided equally. There is no remainder. That means 378 must go in 42's table. So that means पीछे क्या आ रहा है इसके 8. तो पीछे वाली डिजिट क्या होनी चाहिए मल्टीप्लाई करने पे 8. तो अगर मैं 7 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करूँ, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 इट इज 14. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8 इज 16. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9 इज 18. आई कैन ट्राई दिस फर्स्ट. सबसे पहले इसी को ट्राई करेंगे. 42 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9. Let's read it. A factory produces these many shoes. I'm not reading the number. These many shoes in a fortnight. Now they are saying how many shoes does it produce in a day. First we will see this. We have to find out about a day. हमें fortnight के बारे में दिया हुआ है. Now fortnight means, what is the meaning of fortnight? 14 days. A fortnight means 14 days. Always remember like this. 4 means 14. 14 nights, that means 14 days. So a fortnight has 14 days. That means 2 weeks. So a factory produces these many shoes in a fortnight. So, and they are asking you to find out how many shoes it produces in a day. So, if we have been given about 14 days and we have to find out about 1 day. So 1 day में shoes कम produce होंगे या ज़्यादा होंगे? अगर आप 1 week में 10 pages पढ़ रहे हो तो आप 1 day में कितने pages पढ़ोगे? कम पढ़ोगे या ज़्यादा पढ़ोगे? कम. Yes, you got it right. So that means we have to multiply or divide. We have to divide. And obviously आप shoes के ना days plus कर दोगे. Shoes और days का भी plus हो सकते हैं? नहीं. Minus हो सकते हैं? No. So either we have to multiply or we have to divide. So let's start. Number. This was number number of shoes produced in a fortnight. Number of shoes produced in a fortnight, or I can write it as in 14 days. Instead of fortnight, I am writing here 14 days. How many shoes? The number of shoes produced in a day. That our day means 1 day, so that means we have to divide 2842 divided by 14. Quickly divide it. So 40. Multiply by 3 is 42. It is so quick. We have done it very quickly. How many shoes are produced in a day? 203, and no shoes are left. Let's read the question. How many shoes does it produce in the month of June? In the month of June. So we know that number of shoes. अब 1 day का आपको पता चल गया. अब आपको जून का निकालना है. आपको 1 day में कितने हो रहे हैं शूज? 203. 2 days में कितने होंगे? 203 plus 203. 3 days में added to 203. एंड जून में कितने डेज होते हैं? So January, February, March, April, May, June. So it is coming here. So it is inside. It is here. So that means it is having June has how many days? 30 days. So we have to multiply by 30. It will get added 30 times. It will get added 30 times because we have to find out for the 30 days. So number of shoes produced in June, that means 30 days, is equal to 203 multiplied by 30. No need to multiply it in a column method. Do mental calculation. It is very easy. You can see 1 0 here, so 0 here. Now what is left? 203 multiplied by 3. 203 multiplied by 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 3 multiplied by 0 is 0. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So 6090 shoes are produced in the month of June. Now you can write the ending statement on your own.